Welcome. Today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So as can you see, so just first open the box, and here we have the USB cable, charger brick, and the earphones with a 3.5mm jack here. Unfortunately, we have no here the adapter, any adapters here, but don't worry, because we have here the just part to our headphones. So I think you just shouldn't buy the adapter, but if you want to use just adapter was charging part here, so you should buy the adapter later, but you should do it separately, because unfortunately here inside the box our device didn't come with the adapter to the headphones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.